about sickness and health. It's very difficult. It's very difficult to handle, especially when you are following formal procedures, because you are dealing with a colleague who is in hospital, almost dying. Mr. Speaker, I said here, at the risk of repeating myself, when the president flew his daughter in a presidential jet to Spain for antenatal care, he said he did not trust Morago because they are about to amputate a UPDF soldier, and therefore created doubt about our health care provision. I can see colleagues there, and you are victims. I am raising a matter that is going to affect you and your GRA. So the guidance I seek from you, Mr. Speaker, if the head of state has all this luxury, I saw colleagues falling on each other to shake his hand. He had traveled there with the presidential convoy, including a toilet. So if we had all that luxury that is not subjected to any procedure, and we have someone dying in hospital, it puts you as our leaders and supervisors in a very difficult situation, because the same media that you, Mr. Speaker, you follow, we also follow. You are now being attacked for not caring about one of your MPs. I therefore want to plead that the same channel that allows the president to fly his daughters for antenatal care, just antenatal care which can be given by anyone, even someone who graduated yesterday, can be followed to save life. Once that life has saved, my colleagues who have been clapping for not helping, then you can celebrate and go and comfortably shake hands with the Bazukuru if you have finished the sons. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.